Delicious. Oh my God. Off the bone. Oh my goodness. I have to have another piece. Have to come and taste this jerk smoked barbecue chicken. Yes, sir. This is Backyard Cooking again, coming in live. I am going to be doing a second video on how to do jerk chicken. We're going to be using the smoker to do the jerk barbecue chicken on it. And I'm just going to show you how it works. We're going in this section here, we're going to be putting the charcoal. See? Fire! Fire, fire, fire! This is the chicken that we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing the dark meat chicken. And we're just going to season it up while the grill is outside. It's getting ready. Clean. The chicken is already clean. You can use any part of the chicken, your preference. I like to use the dark meat because it's more juicier when it's done on the smoker. We're going to be using garlic, like 2 teaspoons of garlic. I love the garlic. I like a lot of garlic. It's very healthy. And 2 spoons of black pepper to your preference. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. You can use a spoonful of the lemon butter also on the chicken. I know when to stop, so I don't have to measure, but I'm telling you, like a half spoon of lemon, and then we can do the same thing, like a half spoon of the seasoned salt, which is the Larry seasoned salt, and you can also use 1 teaspoon of the all-purpose seasoning. Thyme. Smells good, tastes good. Also going to use a little bit of the, I'm not going to use that now, but I'm going to put in my Boston jerk seasoning, and you can put a teaspoonful of this or 2 teaspoonful of it. It all depends on your taste and if you can handle the spice. Now we're going to mix it in and marinate it really nice. And one more thing I'm going to put in, as soon as I'm finished, I'll let you know. And then we're going to be using our Mojo seasoning. I just finished seasoning up the chicken and sitting here to marinate. So now I'm going to go outside to look on the grill to see if the grill is ready so we can put this baby on the grill. The grill is at 350 right now. It's a little bit too high. So we're going to be closing the vent so it can take it down to 250. So we have to close the vent if the smoker is too high because we want the chicken, we want the temperature to be at 250. So we have to close the vents. Got to be closing it so it can take the temperature down to 250. So while the chicken is inside marinating and doing its own thing, we're just going to be coming back to you live in 5 minutes. Okay, we are back and here we go. We're going to be putting the chicken on the smoker. Here we go. And we're going to take our time and smoke it. You asked for it, you got it. Jerk barbecue chicken. We want to keep it on 250 so it can smoke the meat really good. We'll be back in 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to be showing you how to do festival because I like to have my jerk chicken with festival. So I'm going to do like a cup of flour. I'm going to put a little bit of sugar into the festival. 1.5 spoons of festival. It depends on how sweet you like the festival. And you're going to mix it in. I'm going to do also a little bit of cornmeal. You can use a teaspoonful of baking powder. This is the baking powder. You can use any baking powder. It's your preference. So I'm going to use like a spoonful of baking powder here. And then I am also going to use 2 spoons of cornmeal. Okay, and I don't have to measure it because I know when to stop. So, and we're going to use like a half spoon of salt. We're going to get water from here and we're going to mix it in little by little so you don't overdo it so it gets too soft. And you take your time and mix it in. I like to let it sit for an hour, and that's how you make the dough for the festival. All right, so let's go. We gotta go out again and we're gonna go check the chicken to make sure they didn't fly away. We're gonna be checking the chicken and see they come in nicely. Yes, sir. This is the real Jamaican jerk. Smell good. So now I'm going to show you how I like my jerk chicken. This is the seasoning from the jerk chicken. It has all the ingredients in there: the thyme, the scallion, the onions, the black pepper, the garlic seasoning, the mojo season. You can also squeeze a lemon in there for flavor. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be going back outside and I'm going to put the chicken in here and let it simmer down a little bit, and then I'm going to put my barbecue sauce in the chicken. And this is the sweet baby ribs barbecue sauce that I like to use. It is so delicious. I'm going to put my chicken in here just like this. I like to turn it over like this so it can be, the sauce can sit in there, that side soak up into the sauce. And this is the chicken. It is already done. Some people like it like this. You can eat it like this, but I'm showing you how I like my barbecue chicken. I'm going to pour it on top of the chicken. Here we go. Take a very good look. And we're going to let it simmer down for another 5 to 10 minutes or even 15 minutes. And this is the baby barbecue sauce. Delicious. So we're going to leave it onto the grill for another 10 to 15 minutes and let it sit in, and the barbecue sauce can be mellow in it. Okay, people, you asked for the jerk chicken and you got the jerk chicken. So we'll come back in 10 to 15 minutes. You see the Dutch pot here, so? I them something that we are doing within a backyard. Be back in 5 minutes, people. So here is the dough for the festival. Yeah, so you take it like this and you just roll it like this. You can let it be thick, small, wherever you like it, and then you put it in the oil. Slow cook again. You got to slow cook. So all depends on the size that you want them. You can get them to the size that you want them, whether small, medium, or large. Okay? And mine is just medium. Alright, so here we go. Okay, here we go. You take it, it's time, and fry. Festival is ready. See how brown and nice they are? So as I said, I like to have my jerk chicken with festival. You can have it with whatever you desire. And they're looking lovely. Very nice. So it's simmering down nicely. Here we go. There we go. You don't want to turn it over or anything like that. You just want to take its own time and simmer down. So we'll come back to you in 10 minutes. So this is the finishing touch of the jerk barbecue chicken. I like a lot of barbecue sauce on my jerk chicken. This is how it is, and this is how I like my jerk barbecue chicken. Okay, and this is how my customers like it. Real barbecuey, spicy, tender, and mild. Not to mention the taste. Mwah. Have you asked for smoked jerk barbecue chicken? Here it is. It is a finishing touch. It takes us about 3 hours to get done with the processing, the cleaning up the chicken, the processing on the smoker, etc., etc. Another thing that I love to have with the jerk barbecue chicken is salad. I'm going to taste it, and you're going to see what it looks like. Here we go. I put a lot of sauce on it. I love a lot of barbecue sauce on the chicken. Here we go. And ta-da! And I'm gonna have the first piece of the jerk barbecue chicken. Delicious. Hot. Hot. You can catch me any day of the week at Al Hendrickson Toyota dealership in Coconut Creek, and you can come and enjoy some of the delicious smoked jerk barbecue chicken. This is founder and CEO of Backayaadcookng, the real Jamaican thing. You ask for the jerk chicken, I deliver it. Come and taste it. Have a good evening. Walk good, talk good. Catch you later. Peace out. Delicious. Oh my God. Off the bone. Oh my goodness. I have to have another piece. Have to come and taste this jerk smoked barbecue chicken. Yes.